mosquito, nature's most hated little vampire. Most people want them dead, like extinct dead. But what would actually happen if we pressed the delete button on all 3,000 species? First, the good news: disease would plummet. Malaria is the final boss. It kills hundreds of thousands every single year. Without them, hospitals would empty. Zika and dengue, gone. Yellow fever, also history. It sounds like a utopia, for us anyway. But nature is a Jenga tower. Pull one piece out, and things get weird. Let's talk about the Arctic. There is a massive biomass of mosquitoes in the tundra. They form thick clouds, so thick they choke caribou. No, seriously, the caribou change their routes just to avoid the swarm. Without mosquitoes, the caribou change direction. They graze in new places. This changes the entire soil. More caribou means less grass. Less grass means more erosion. Everything is connected. Now, look at the fish. Mosquito larvae live in water. They are basically protein popcorn for hundreds of species, especially the mosquito fish. Yes, that's its name. Without mosquitoes, Bob starves, or he has to scramble to find a new food. If Bob dies out, the bigger fish go hungry. It's a domino effect, and it's falling fast. But wait, mosquitoes aren't just snacks. They are also pollinators. Wait, really? Yes, really. Only female mosquitoes bite for the protein in blood to make their eggs. The males, they drink nectar like little annoying bees. They help certain orchids. Without the mosquitoes, no more orchids. So what, you ask? I hate orchids anyway. But variety is key. Biodiversity keeps ecosystems stable. Less diversity means more risk. But here's the twist. Scientists are actually split. Some say the world thrives without them. They argue other insects would just take their place, like midges or crane flies. Nature hates a vacuum. When something dies out, something else moves in. It's ecological succession. But what if the replacement is worse? Imagine a world with mega wasps. Okay, that's unlikely, but the point remains. We don't really know. It's a giant experiment with the whole planet. Let's look at humans. We would live longer. Population would boom, especially in Africa and Southeast Asia. This creates a new problem: resource scarcity. More people need more food. More food needs more land. More land means more deforestation. It's the mosquito paradox. By killing a pest, we might stress the planet. But wait, kill all of them? Scientists have a better plan. Not total genocide, just the bad ones. Only a few species out of 3,000 actually carry human diseases, like Aedes aegypti. Target just those guys, and the ecosystem might hardly even notice. How do we do it? Genetic engineering. It's called a gene drive. We release sterile males. They mate with females, but no eggs hatch. The population crashes without using chemicals. Modern problems require modern solutions. But should we? Ethics enters the chat. Do we have the right to erase a species, even a stabby one? Some say it's playing God. Others say it's saving lives. Millions of them. Think about the bats. Bats eat tons of mosquitoes, right? Actually, not really. Mosquitoes are tiny. Too much work for too little payoff. Bats prefer moths. Moths are cheeseburgers. Mosquitoes are single croutons, so the bats are fine. Birds are a different story. Migrating birds depend on them to fuel their journeys. Thousands of miles. Without that fuel, they might not make it. Do we trade birds for human health? It's a messy trade-off. But wait, there's more. Mosquitoes protect the rainforest. Wait, what? Stay with me. They make areas uninhabitable for humans because of the diseases. This keeps humans out of pristine jungles. If mosquitoes vanish, farmers and loggers move in. Nature loses its bodyguard, a stinging bodyguard, but a bodyguard nonetheless. So, extinction is complicated. It's not just no bites. It's global shifts in food and space. Most scientists agree total extinction is risky, but targeted extinction is almost a certainty. We are doing it now in places like Florida and Brazil. They are testing it. The results are promising. Disease rates are dropping in small test areas. No megawasps yet, but we must be careful. Nature is a master of revenge. If you kill one predator, the prey explodes. In this case, the prey is the nectar and the biomass. Let's talk about the food web. It's the butterfly effect, but with bloodsuckers. If we kill the 7% that cause all the trouble, the world gets better, but stays the same. That is the goal. Change the health, not the world.